To get started, I just added 2 clips to my timeline that I'd like to add a zoom transition between. Let's begin by going over to the Effects panel, type Zoom in the search box. Drag the cross zoom effect between your 2 clips on the timeline. If you're having a hard time placing the transition between the clips, just select the transition on the timeline and go up to Effect Controls. Change the alignment to center at cut. Okay, now I have a pretty good looking zoom transition. I think that looks decent, but I think it would look less pixelated with a blur. To add our blur, let's first go over to the project panel, right-click inside and go to New Item Adjustment Layer. The default settings match my sequence, so I'm just going to hit OK. Now drag the adjustment layer above your costume on the timeline and drag its end so that its duration matches your costume. Then go back to the Effects panel and type Gaussian Blur in the search box. Drag the Gaussian Blur effect on your adjustment layer. Now select the adjustment layer on your timeline and go up to Effect Controls. In here, position the time marker to the start of your adjustment layer clip on New Gaussian Blur. Click the stopwatch next to Blurriness to create a starting keyframe. Move the time marker to the middle of your clip where it looks pixelated and change the blurriness to 100 to create a second keyframe. Finally, move the time marker to the end of your clip and change the blurriness back to 0 to create a final keyframe. Okay, and now when I play this back, have a nice looking zoom transition with blur. Alright, and that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you next time.